Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? Good, because we're back in the kitchen. I had to check and make sure you guys was in the building. So today, you guys, if you're ready for this video, you better come on in because I'm going to take Pillsbury cake and it's a lemon and I'm going to take it up a notch. So if you're ready for this video, get comfortable. So, okay, guys, we're going to take the Pillsbury lemon cake and we're going to take it up a notch. Now, this is one of my family favorites, you guys, because like I said, you guys, I've been cooking for a minute, okay? If you know my age, you know I ain't kidding. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to use both cake mixes, right? Because, I got this lemon cake that, it is our favorite cake for the holidays. And yeah, your girl don't always go by the cake recipe. You know what's on the box? No, I do not. I do not. Okay. We deal with real lemons over here. And I'm going to show you this simple cake mix, right? You don't have to add the oil. You don't have to add the eggs. But it's going to do the same work as if you did add it, right? Because that's what we want. That's what we want. You don't have to substitute for applesauce and all of that. We got some real lemons right here, you guys, that I have cut up. Let me see. Make sure you are in the camera. You guys excuse the background if you can see it. You know, we're in the holidays. And this makes definitely a good dessert that you can share with your family. And, you know, hey, they will ask the question. Now, I got 2 cups of water right there. I don't think I'm going to use it all. But just to start this recipe of this cake off, you know, you don't always have to go by what's on the box. You can take it up, okay? And that's what we're going to do over here. We're taking it up. And we're not adding the oil and the applesauce. But what we are going to do is we're going to add some real lemon. Some real lemon. And I don't want it to be too thin. But I don't want it to be too thick. Because I want that homemade taste. That home style cake mix, you know. To where the people say, hey, did you buy this? You guys. So yeah, if you're ready, I'm about to show you guys how to do this cake. Uh-oh. Something falling over. Let's get us a towel from over here. Get that up because you know how I feel about a mess. Okay. So we just going to go on here and get as many lumps out as possible. But it's not urgent. Okay, so we got it where we want it, right? So I'm just going to open up these lemons. And I'm just going to put me enough zest. Well, not zest. I'm sorry. Juice in here. And I'm catching all the seeds, you guys. And yes, my hands are clean. Because even though the cake mix require basically a box require 1 cup of water. No. Your girl is going to add her some of this lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice. You can also use the lemon juice that's in the, you know what I'm saying, in a container. You know, the juice jug of lemon juice. Now, as you see, those lemons has had their zest removed. You know, the lemon hug, whatever, peel, whatever it's called, you know. But anyway, I made some zest. I got some real lemon zest off it. And we're going to sit that over there. And we're going to go ahead and blend this on in. Because it's not going to hurt anything, right? what it's going to do, it's going to give you more flavor of the lemon. And we're going to go out and put this on in the oven, you guys. And we're going to let it bake and do its thing, you guys. Yeah, we're going to let it bake and do its thing. I don't know why, but I was never one that liked to put oil in my cake. And you know, by being super moist, you could turn this into a home style cake. You know, as if you actually made this cake before. So I have a loaf pan over here already floured. You guys, it's already floured. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and use that as well. I hope you guys got a good view, because I got my cake dish right there. But we're going to go on and put this cake on in here. That's what I'm going to do. So guys, as you see, I got the cake in here. I'm just going to twist it. Just going to shake it a little bit. Get it even. And this is going to go in the oven on 350. And we just going to let it bake for approximately, I guess, I'm going to say, roughly 45 minutes to an hour. But it all depends on your oven now, 350. But 45 minutes to an hour, because we got 2 boxes of cake mix in here. And yeah, that's what we're going to do next. So guys, we have taken our cake out. As you guys can see, it is very hot, so I have to let it cool. And we're going to go with our next step. So let me show you guys a little more closer. Guys, look at that cake right there. Now, I took that simple box and I took it up a notch, so I know the flavor is there. And I got some more flavor that's going to go on it once it get cool. So we'll see you in a minute. So guys, we is about to icing the cake. Now I have 1 lemon cake icing. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drizzle it. And I have some zest right here. This is zest from 1 lemon. And I'm just going to drizzle this, I guess. And yeah. We're going to go on here. You know what? I'm just going to go on and icing it. That's what I'm going to do. Now, what I did was I did put this on 10 seconds in the microwave. Then let it set. Because, like I say, you guys, I like to jazz it up a little bit. Make sure we get all corners. And I'm going to icing this real quick and I'll be back. Okay, so we got that cake icing. I just added a little more icing over here. Now I just have a little icing in here. I'm just going to put that on here as a little additional icing. But we're not going to go around too much because I want to, you know, I'm not a professional, but I like to play around with it. Okay? So follow me on that, right? That's what you want to do. Sometimes you can take a fork, because I will take a fork, guys. Oh, you know what? You guys, before I forget, you guys. Okay, we just want to, you know, just dab it. It's nothing special. But this is just something that I enjoy doing. But look, you guys, are you familiar with Triple Head Goddess? I love her. She loves to do parodies. Parodies. Well, you know what I'm saying. But anyway, we're going to put up some lemon zest up here. You know, nothing fancy. Nothing fancy. Just some lemon zest. Okay. Now, yeah, Triple Head Goddess, you guys. Shout out to her. I love her videos because she like to imitate Walt and different people, you know. And I have saw some come at her on a negative way, which is unnecessary if one was to ask me. You know. Because we all out here trying to get our thing going. So if you're not familiar with it, go check her out, you guys. You might enjoy her. You might enjoy her. And yeah. You guys, I also enjoy Truth Hurts. Truth Hurts. And we're just going to put some lemons right in here, just like that. You guys, my family go wild over these cakes. I haven't made it in a long time. So tell me, how did I do? Guys, so, you know, this is my take on a lemon cake. Took up a notch, okay? You guys check that cake out. Oh my heavens. That looks so delicious. So delicious. And I'm sure it tastes just as good as it looks. But I'm going to clean that up around there. I'm going to clean that up. And yeah. This is my take on a lemon cake. And no, I'm not a professional, as you guys can tell. But I do like to decorate cake. You know, to my likings, you know what I'm saying? I'm just playing around with it. Putting the zest, different spots. Waste not, want nothing around here. I would slice it, but I can't because I'm taking this over to my grandkids because they won't keep for the holiday. And I'm going to put it in the refrigerator until tomorrow so that they can have it tomorrow for the holidays. Perfect dessert, easy dessert. But, you guys, when you get a chance, go over and check out Triple Head Goddess 88. I'm going to leave her link in the description. Go check her out. Tell her Miss T sent you. And yeah, if you like to laugh and you got an open sense of humor, go check her out. You cannot go wrong. But meantime, thumbs this video straight up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not part of the fam. What you waiting on? I just bring you different recipes. I critique recipes. And as you see, I don't play by the book. But I will give you something good and delicious to eat. At a cheap and affordable budget, you guys. You don't have to follow all recipes that you see. You can twist it up a notch or take it up a notch and you still will have a delicious meal, a dessert that you can call your own. So sending much love from my house to yours. And go check out Truth Hurts. I love her commentary. She keep it simple and she keep it 100. So shout out to you two ladies. And I'll see you guys on the next video. And yeah, I think I'm going to bring a little shout out to help support you guys. I mean, if you're part of my fam, why would not? You guys, before I forget, I have a YouTuber who I like to follow, and her name is All Things with Jeje. I so happened saw her video, and she was making a lemon shortcake. You guys, I'm going to leave that link in the description. And I so happened was over here making this. So, yeah, shout out to All Things with Jeje. Lady, that cake looked absolutely delicious. And thumbs up to you for doing such a great job. Keep the grind in, all three ladies. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.